Last time I promised you that I will show you how to solve a problem with n8n.
Hey everyone, I hope you're enjoying the content so far. I've noticed something interesting in our channel statistics. Over 90% of you watching aren't subscribed yet. Now, I understand subscribing to a channel is a choice and I respect that. But let me share a few reasons why hitting that subscribe button can be a great decision for you. Firstly, it's completely free. You get notified about new content, ensuring you don't miss out on the latest videos that could be really useful or entertaining for you. It's like getting updates on what you enjoy without any effort. Secondly, your subscription supports the channel immensely. It helps me understand what content you like and it motivates me to keep creating and improving. Plus, with a larger subscriber base, I can bring in more resources and perhaps even some collaborations that you would love. And lastly, being a part of our community means you're not just a viewer, you're a valuable member who can shape the future of this channel. Your comments, likes, and feedback guide me in creating content that resonates with you. So, if you haven't already, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. It's just one click, but it makes a huge difference. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you as a part of our subscriber family.
And this is the error that you have to get rid of. And if you will ask me how to make work, if you will go to browser, you should be able to see the solution. There is an explanation even provided what the problem is, and it by default a self-hosted n8n instance sends data into n8n server. So this allows n8n to send users notifications about available updates, allow access to workflow templates, and provide n8n with diagnostic information. If you need to prevent your n8n instance from connecting with n8n servers, use environment variables to turn off the settings that cause your instance to connect with n8n servers. And well, there are 3 lines that you need to copy, and I will show you what to do. And this will allow me to turn off diagnostic notification and workflow template. And well, this is it. And I will use only those 2 because I want to get rid of n8n version notifications and diagnostic, and I don't want to disable n8n templates enable false, but we can use all those 3 and it will just work like a charm. So let's go back to the command line, and here we go, we will proceed it there. So in this command line, we have to get rid of this error. So Ctrl+C to stop the n8n, just because we were running it on a screen session with screen, right? Okay. And now we need to create a file .env and put the content that we copied into this file. So we have all those 3 environment variables into this file, and I will now save the file, and I will use command npx n8n to run the n8n instance, and we will see, do we have an error still, or did we get rid of this error for good and there will be no error on the screen and it will be able to work like a charm and there shouldn't be any error visible on the screen. And so far there is no error and it is working like a charm. And if I will go to browser, now I will try to open my n8n instance and I should be able to make it work. And so it will be 10.10.0.139 and well, yeah, 5678, this is my port. And so far I will show you one thing. I will go back for a moment to the command line, and here we have not logged in and not logged in. So there is only a warning 401. Excellent. And go back to browser and just log into the n8n instance. So we will use the login in the password, and here we go, and this one, and just log in. And well, yeah, this is it, and my workflow is working, and you can see it's loading. And well, I will go back for a moment to the command line, and you should see that there is still no error in this, and we have only the one that was previously displayed when we were not logged into the n8n instance, and that is all, and there is no more error on the screen. That is something that I really like. And go back to browser, and we will try to test now the n8n. So we can try to turn off the clock using this small triangle, and it should turn off, and it should be working correctly. And now it went to just too bad, and now I will go back and will turn it on. And now I will show you that in fact it is working like a charm. And now I will go back to the workflow and we'll try to turn off the clock. And well, yeah, now it is working. And one more time execute it. And yeah, it is running. And one more time off. And one more time on. Okay. And now you can see it is working like a charm. So I really like it. So the flow is working correctly, and this is it, and that's it. And by the way, go back to command line just to be sure that there is no error. Still no error. There is a solution. So what you have to do, you need just to stop the n8n, create .env file, put environment variables into it, save the file, start the n8n, and it will get rid of the errors in the command line, and you will see nothing more like this. And Control A D, and well, voila, it is working like charm. So now you're wondering how to make it work, and when the machine is going to reboot. Well, this is quite simple task. What you need to do, you can do this in your home directory. And so I will choose use something like vim start -n8n.sh. Inside this file, we will have to execute n8n, but moreover, we will do much more things to make it work. So first of all, put the shebang line. Then, of course, start n8n in a detached screen session. So we will do this, and after that it will be good to wait for a bit to ensure that n8n is up and running. So we will just do this. I will wait 10 seconds for this. This is really enough. And then we need to this. We will use xdotool command within the same screen session, assuming xdotool commands are meant to interact with n8n. So we will create this, and it should work like a charm. And first of all, we have to test this script before we will proceed. So to make it work, we need xdotool. So sudo apt install xdotool-y, and it will install xdotool. And now make the file executable. So hmode +x, then start n8n sh. And now we'll run this n8n sh, and it should work without any problem. And that's it. And if you're wondering, is it working correctly? So you can just type screen-r and name of the screen sessions on n8n. And you can see it is working like here, and xdotool Control A, and you can see that those commands, they are executed. So Control AD, and well, yeah, that's it. And everything is working. And one more time, you can run it AD, or you can run -r, and it will also work. Well, this is the end of the story. This is everything what you want to have. And the last thing that you have to perform is to add this script into the crontab to make it work during the boot process. So we will list it first of all. We will copy then the name, Ctrl+Shift+C, and then crontab-E, and at the end Shift G-O and Shift Enter. And now what we need to provide is a at reboot, and then the path to home, $user, like this, and start, and that's it, and it is enough really. This is everything what you need to do here, and it will run the script during the boot process. That's it. And crontab-l will list it, and you can see at the end it is listed. So that's the way we can do it, right? Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video, so thank you very much. Have a nice day or night. Take care, bye bye.